Hi everybody, and welcome to 4601 Little Creek Drive in East Modesto. Quiet little neighborhood that I think is one of the best kept secrets in town. Come on in. Here we are in the living room with this beautiful center wall fireplace. Great floor plan, perfect for entertaining. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and wait till you see the attention to all the detail. The many upgrades include this kitchen that opens to the family room, perfect for being part of things when they're going on. And look at this backyard. Private, all done, ready for summer entertaining. Got a large storage unit and new artificial turf. It's all here, everyone. So get a hold of me quickly. This one won't last long. I'm Lorraine Cardoza with the Cardoza Group at PMZ Real Estate, 209-605-6317. I look forward to hearing from you.